Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Marge and for today's video, I'm going to react Alip Bata Fingerstyle Cover on the Floor by Jennifer Lopez. Wow! I'm so excited! So this is my first time to watch this video and let's see what's gonna be my reaction in this video. But before that, if you're just new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell button so that you will be updated on my next video. So let's go! Let's watch this video! Ang galing. Wow, Alip Bata. Amazing. Mantap. Guys, you should check his other fingerstyle cover dahil nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakaka-proud dahil sobrang galing niya at saka sobrang simpleng tao ni Alip Bata. Kung nakikita niyo siya, grabe, nakakabilib yung fingerstyle cover niya, guys. Ang dami niya na rin fingerstyle covers. Try nyo rin panuorin at para masubaybayan nyo yung mga uploads niya. So, thank you so much, Alip Bata, for sharing this video to us. Kahit paulit-ulit ko itong pakinggan, ay talagang nakakatuwa at nakaka-proud. So, sobrang talented ng mga Indonesian people. Napaka-bait nila, guys, and very supportive. To all Indonesian people, hello! Semoga harimu menyenangkan. So all of you guys, see you in my next video. Bye!